Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show how to install Windows 11 in an unsupported PC or laptop. So let's get started. First you have to download both the Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO files. You can download them from Microsoft official website. Then you have to create the Windows 10 USB pen drive using the Windows Media Creation tool or any other software like Rufus. So I have already created a USB bootable pen drive for Windows 10, which can be seen here. Then you just have to right click on Windows 11 ISO file and click on mount. So after mounting, just click on sources folder. Inside this folder you have to find a file named install.wim. So you just have to copy it. Then you have to go to the USB bootable pen drive for Windows 10 we just created. So I'll click on this pen drive. Inside this pen drive we have to go to the sources folder. Inside this folder we just have to paste the install.vim file. I will not paste it since I have done this already. So it's a big file, it may take some time. So after the copying finishes, you can use the USB bootable pen drive to install Windows 11 as usual. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye.